Okay, so today during math, we're going to be working on counting by tens and ones. So today, we're going to see larger groups of objects. And some of the objects will be grouped into groups of tens, but there may be some extra ones that we have to count along with the tens. So today we're going to learn how to do that. First, let's watch a video.
How do you count a large group of objects? Let's take a look. What is the quickest way you can count these cubes?
Okay, so here is a large group of objects. They want to know what's a quick way to count these cubes. Now, if we started counting by ones, would that be a quick way? I don't think so. I think that would take a long time. What would be a quicker way to count these cubes? Maybe we can put them into groups. And if we have groups of tens, we can count by tens, which is quicker. Let's see how they do it.
One possible answer is count by twos. Another answer is count by fives. Yet another answer is count by tens. How does counting by tens work? Think about this question as you do the activity that comes next. How many cubes are there in all? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There are
34 cubes in all. Was the way that she just counted them a quick way? Seemed like it wasn't that quick to me.
34 cubes in all. How is the bottom group of cubes different from the top group of cubes?
Okay, so let's look at the bottom group of cubes and the top groups of cubes. What's different about these cubes on the bottom? It looks like the top groups are all put together to make a train, and the bottom group are not put together. The top groups look like they're in groups of 10. Do we have 10 at the bottom? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it looks like we have 3 groups of 10 and 4 extra ones.
One answer is some of the cubes are grouped by tens. How can you count this set of cubes?
Okay, so if we know we have some tens, we can start counting by tens. 10, 20, 30. But now we're out of tens. So we can count on from 30 and add our ones. 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So we started by counting our groups of tens, 10, 20, 30, and then we added our ones, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Count them by tens, 10, 20, 30. How can you count the cubes that are left? Count them by ones, 31, 32, 33, 34. How was counting the bottom group of cubes different from counting the top group of cubes?
So the top group of cubes, we counted which way? We counted by tens. And the bottom group of cubes, we couldn't count by tens because we didn't have any more tens. So we had to count by ones.
One possible answer is it was faster. Why is grouping and counting by tens a faster way to count? One possible answer is there are fewer groups to count. How many cubes in all?
Okay, so let's count again. We're going to count by tens, and then we're going to count the extra ones by ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. There are 34 cubes in all.
There are 34 cubes in all. Suppose you took one set of 10 cubes away. How many cubes would there be?
Okay, so now one of our tens is gone, but we can still do this. We can count by tens and then add our ones on at the end. So let's start counting by tens. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There are 24 cubes in all.
There would be 24 cubes. You counted a big group of cubes. You practiced counting by tens first and then counting on by ones.
Okay, so today when you do your interactive workbook page, you'll be completing page 645. On this page, you will see groups of cubes just like in this video. There will be tens and there will be ones. Please remember when you're counting your tens to count by tens. If you try to count all of them by ones, it will take a really long time. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or comments or need any assistance.